just saw a man push a gun to a car driver.
Move!
Are you telling me you suspect it is the work of Sakawa boys?
Black. Sama. No, balance. Cancel.
Hello, Osofo.
Yes, okay. Come on, is what I'm hearing true?
It's true, Osofo, Sadia.
What?
I'll try and get some more information from these guys. Okay.
So you think my nephew will pay a bride price on your head and you can just disappear like that? Now that we have you, there's no escape. God save your soul if you have already been violated. Musa, Shiraki Gam de Matanka. Kaji daddy, you have been the couldn't create. Why are you so angry at her?
There was no blood.
Huh? No blood?
You mean
she already been? Mamachi! Musa!
What is it that I'm hearing?
Mama, she, your girl, Sadia.
So, where exactly are we at? The police?
They are treating it as a case of kidnapping.
And when did this happen?
About 3 hours ago.
After drinking this concoction, she will come back to her senses. Because this is tradition.
For this is what God says to you. My hands are not too short, for they are mighty to save.
Hello, also? Charlie, this is no Sakara business.
Say that again.
It's a dear business.
Yeah, she was picked from the shop this morning.
I believe I know where she is.
You what?
I got some vital intelligence. The snitch came through and Charlie, we gotta move quickly. I need your help.
Okay. There, please.
Musa, so this is how you pay me back? Nikunya, after all the hard work had been done for you, you could not just penetrate.
This is a place.
Oh.
We have to wait for my boy, the information peddler.
What's up, bro?
Cool, boss.
So tell me,
what happened at the base?
Boss, man, this will cost you.
If you were serving a sangula, I would have bought it. Would have bought it.
Wait, see what I do you for this town. I didn't sing song, I didn't happy with I don't do it. Okay.
Doro super. Doro skillful. Doro fabulous.
My voice better pass yours. Doro. I beg you, since you are seeing this one, no mobile. I tell you, they're hot. They make me buy them. That's why they're hot.
Last night was the worst night of my life this year. I'm telling you, you know, I went to the base. I wore that little dress. Yeah, the sexy one that like. Okay. And my heels. I was sitting there sipping my drink, and then this fine, fresh, hot guy just walks in, and my God, he was to die for. Oh God. What would I do? I just flirted. I said, I did everything I could, and believe me, this guy just didn't see. It's like he was blind.
It looks like you were desperate.
No, I wasn't desperate.
Of course, I know how to show
What's up?
Hey! Of course, was just telling us about some Nigerian guys she met. Nigerian guys? Are they correct now? Are they fine? Are they cool now?
Actually, the best, At that point, the best.
I don't
For
think
where?
so.
See, if your guys are so cool and confident, why couldn't they stop those girls from getting abducted?
No, how does Boko Haram got to do what we are talking about?
Everything.
Everything?
Oh wait, are you insulting me?
That way. Oh, please.
Oh no, sister. I will not take insults from the likes of you. Is it because you have more money or you think you are better than me? See, you guys come in here and sprinkle money about like confetti. Only God knows where you get it from.
I just don't mind. I
don't mind. I am what? See, if you don't shut your mouth, I will hit you.
No. Listen, apparently you're a bush girl. Yes. And trust me, if you want to go to the jungle, we can all go there. Yes! Nonsense. Please. I don't floor this guy. I don't understand her. No, I cannot let her intimidate us. Or me in particular. Are you okay? Listen, if you claim you don't love Nigerian guys so much or you don't like how we make our money, why do you guys go about chasing Nigerian guys all around? Imagine, look at what you said. I just came and I met a girl, a Nigerian girl, whatever.
Calm down, calm down.
No, I understand that floor now.
You leave him, calm down, calm down.
Hey, what's that?
What's with that?
What's that?
Or are they here for us? They must be at Abibes. You haven't heard? No wonder you are so full of yourselves. Sadia has been kidnapped.
What? What?
Yes. I heard she was picked up by 3 men from the shop in a taxi.
Kidnapping in Ghana.
Everybody hustle.
Good. Musa is mounting the witch. I get it.
Ma, make it Farua. What is going on?
I thought it was you in there. So you still haven't tamed that woman.
Ma, what about Jungi there? She should be asleep by now.
Ajimi Wawanga. You want an old woman to do a man's job? Kesigata, kumaki kesigata. Wawa. Now you get in and finish your duty as a man. Wawa.
Chum.
Ah! What could that be?
It must have been a bird. I'm sure.
You let's get it. You are dead. Musa, let's finish him here.
No, Baba, let's take him inside. Yeah, please, please.
No worry. Believe everything they happen for.
Boss, look at everything. I have to run.
Hey, boss.
Don't turn around. One of the guys just entered. He's a getaway driver. He was boasting about a successful operation this morning. I believe I heard him mention a girl.
See?
Yeah.
Yeah. I did the buy inside. You dey bring the rest of my money. Good. Then I'll go meet you halfway. Okay. I'll bring your stuff. Okay. Baba.
We have to trail him. Follow. I'll be right behind you. All the best, man. Sharp.
Charlie. It's been a long day. I'm beginning to give up. See, we are walking through all this place. I don't know.
Yo, V, how many times should I tell you to believe? Come on, have faith, have faith. You're a man. Ah.
Wait. I have a call.
What again?
I have a call. It's Abiba. Abiba, listen. Relax. Just relax. What? Sadia has been taken by her husband? Mama, she found her diary. You called the police? They sent all their men to the lorry station?
Oh, that's good news. That's good news. Right away, right? You, my man.
Hold on.
I told you that was Kiddo. He's believed he's found something. Just tell them to direct the police to this place.
Abiba, listen. We may have a breakthrough. Okay? We may have a breakthrough. Yes. I'll call you back. Okay.
Me. Tell them to direct the police
Yeah,
here.
they're coming.
See you.
Charlie, what happened?
Charlie, that girl is so stubborn.
Eh?
Wallahi. She's got a strong spirit. Anyway, did you bring my stuff?
Yeah, bring better stuff, bro.
Something definitely is going down.
Kaukudio, you dey owe me 100 Ghana. 100 Ghana.
I will sort you out.
Charlie, I go wait for your call.
Charlie, we are using the last bus. You understand? You don't have to be late.
Okay.
You understand?
Charlie.
You don't have to be late.
Charlie, they're fast, oh.
Delay is dangerous.
Fast.
I'll see you, man.
So what do you want me to do?
We have to split our ways now. I'll go with the guy into the shadows. You follow the driver.
Okay.
I'll catch up with you.
Okay, at one time.
Safe man.
What? You won't move am now? Wetin happen? Wallahi, you catch somebody. Okay, I dey go bring the right cam.
Make a far watch can get a gaga.
Don't answer. Switch it off.
Musa, I don't like this. Let's leave this witch and go away. There are evil forces about her. Tichama.
Money. Nkuzu. Run? Never. I will defend my honor as a man should. I pay for Sadia with my own cattle. Manusu Sadia. I own her. And soon we shall find out what this intruder wants.
Musa, Tichama. Tichankacho. If he wants, he can stay here with her. Tichankacho. Nyana so yazona data na mute. Naga makabaka ji. Nizanyo.
Face like this, face like. Bring your hand back. My brother, cover me.
Hey, go down. I don't do anything. Go down. I said, go down.
My friend, where are you coming from?
Oh, boss, I don't do anything.
Where are you coming from? I say, where are you coming from?
I come from here, no. Yeah. I go.
My friend, let's put you inside the car. Inside the car.
Oh, I don't do anything, no. Oh, I don't do anything, no.
Go sit inside the car, my friend. Come on.
I don't do anything, no.
Sit inside the car.
Abiba, yeah, there has been an incident.
Hey, where's Kido? Where's Kido? Come on, hey.
They have him.
Where?
He's one of them. We find them in the bushes.
Bushes?
Yeah, we find them in the bushes.
I believe we have a breakthrough. Let me call you back. Okay?
I don't do anything. I don't know what you talk about.
You have done a lot of wrong. And you know what we are talking about. Listen carefully. For trying to run down 2 policemen at the roadblock, you will be jailed for 5 years. Straight and simple. Now, listen carefully. Whether you help us catch these people or not, we are going to catch them. So you better work with us.
Officer, I can take you there.
You see, we don't really need you.
Wait, I go talk.
Better.
Musa. Kuna na bata kuta yayi banza. Where at all do you think you are going?
Out of this place. She has cursed the whole house.
No wonder you've given birth to a man who is no man. If you move another step, I will cut to pieces. Can you answer?
Well, you can stay here with her.
Put the cutlass down. Put the cutlass down. My brother, watch him. Hey, pass it. Stop! Bring it on. Don't move. Bring it on. Don't move.
Red, coming over. Red, coming over.
Is this your bag?
Red,
is this your bag? What's your name? Sir, this is his bag. I think you take it to the station, right?
Yeah, we will.
Okay. What is your name?
Red, coming over.
What is your name? My friend, wake up. What is your name? What is your name? Wake
What?
up. Adam!
Red,
Hey!
over.
What is your name? Wake up. My friend, wake up. Move. Hey! Sorry. Sit down here. Sit down. Sorry. Are you okay? Officer. Yeah.
But where is Kido? Who is Kido? Kido, my brother.
Your brother?
To be here. Here? Yes.
God! Thank God! So you are alive? Oh! What happened to you? Are you okay? What's happening?
Hey, Auntie Grace.
Asofo! How's Kido?
Kido.
Oh!
Abiba. Are you okay? Sadia. Are you alright? You see, I told you God will do it. You need to have faith. You see, the Lord has done it. Unto the Lord be the glory. Great things He has done. You see, the Lord has done it. The Lord has done it. His hand is always at work. Sadia, are you okay?
Thank you, Jesus.
Skido.
I'm so weak.
Skido, are you okay?
I'm weak.
Oh.
I'm so feeble.
Oh, really? Skido, stop crying. You're a man. Oh.
Much Kente.
VVIP.
Make I enter Kolo. Somebody enter Kolo. Somebody enter Kolo. See everybody. Make you hold somebody. Drink and jolly. Tell me how you feeling. Is it sexual healing? Or you feeling irate? This what we dey do before we do the show. Make you move your body where the music they go.